Hey y'all, look at this. This is rapper Young M.A., an openly lesbian rapper. Recently, Young M.A. came out with a strap-on collection, quote-unquote strap-on starter kit that comes with 3 attachments and a harness, and also a 7-inch dildo. She says that she knows there's a lot of impressionable girls that are curious about their sexuality, so she's just gonna take it upon herself to push them over the edge. This same woman raps about getting her strap-on deep-throated and turning girls' name from Stephanie to Headphony. My thing is this: as long as it's a woman that objectifies you and a woman that tells you to deep-throat her and it's a woman that tells you to ride her dick, then you'll do it. But when it's a man with a real penis that doesn't have the harness and the 3 attachments, it's a problem. If I told a woman I want to give her a 7-inch dick, let Young M.A. say she'll give you her 7-inch strap-on from out the closet, and it's okay. Young M.A., you said you keep your strap-on in the closet. That's fine. But please, for the love of God, don't go around bragging on this piece of plastic. Don't go around telling girls that you can fuck her better than her man. That plastic dildo you got in the closet can fuck all night. What, you dry humping all night? Come on! You really think you're fucking that girl with that piece of plastic attached to your pelvis? Come on. This is fucking ridiculous. But proceed.